Okay, today we are correcting CO10, that order of operations, working with that PERMDAS, making sure we're doing the correct steps for our order of operations. So the first one was 11, 50, 11, and 17, because we had to do that multiplying before we added. We had to multiply before we added. Any questions on those ones? We did most of them together as a class. All right, let's look at our second page. We have -2, -24, 1, and 1. We had to do inside our parentheses. Then we bring everything down. So it was 2 times 2 divided by 4. Then we do that math. Then we have 63, 2, 12, and 21. Any questions on those? Remembering we do inside the parentheses, bring everything down, then we do the math. This one I know I had a few people ask me about. You do your multiplying, then you bring down the rest of your expression, and then do that math. All right. Parentheses. The first one we did together. We did 3 times 9, so that 2 plus 7 was inside parentheses. We still want to do 3 times 9. We had to do 2 sets of parentheses. So 2 plus 1 inside parentheses and 5 plus 4 inside parentheses would get us the 3 times 9. And this last one, we wanted to do 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So that parentheses would go around 7 minus 4. And then we had our review, getting us ready for the practice test. Absolute value of -18 is 18. Two numbers that are opposites, I put -5 and 5. Any number that you put as a positive, the opposite would be the negative of the same number. 49 divided by -7, well, 49 divided by 7 is 7. A positive divided by a negative is negative. 3 times 6 is 18. Negative times a negative is a positive, so positive 18. -15 plus 14, when we add, we go to the right on the number line, so it is -1. -5 minus 3, we start at -5. Subtracting, we go to the left, so it is -8. Putting our decimals in order, we have 1.05, 1.5154, 1.3, 1.75. If we paid with a $20 bill, we take out the $12.30. Our change is $7.70. 2 to the third power in expanded form is 2 times 2 times 2. Evaluate on the practice test. On the real test, it will say evaluate. You need to make sure to do the math. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Then we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Write it as an exponent, so 3 to the fourth power. Then evaluate it. It is 81. Any questions on the review? All right, so practice test is today. You did not get an answer key. Make sure you grab one. You can finish your practice test at home. Definitely do the practice test. Finish it up. Make sure you are checking your answers, learning from your mistakes. Make sure you're using a help sheet tomorrow for the real test. If you're watching this at home, I hope you're well and I hope you have a wonderful day.